Hello everyone. Today I'm in Crecchio, Italy. We are in central Italy. And this place, which is a country village, is famous for this castle you see right here. Yeah, the castle is medieval. There are a lot of lights because today is December the 8th, 2021. And this castle dates back from the Middle Ages, of course. It was, for one day, the capital of Italy because during World War II, the King of Italy left Rome to reach southern Italy and stayed just one night over here. And this place is known as the capital of Italy for just one day. Of course, talking about World War II, the castle was severely damaged by the Germans and the Allied forces. But restoration began in the 1970s. But this part over here, this tower over here, is the original one. Yeah, of course, the other parts are, of course, not original. But this castle is majestic, overlooking the very big landscape. For example, you can see the Mayella mountain over there with a lot of snow. And there are a lot of people visiting the castle.
Anche legna.
And as you can see over here, I can give you a glimpse of the whole thing. Right here you have a museum. It's over there. And we are inside the castle. Of course, I can show you also something in Italian. Well, the king stayed here, and the museum is right there. Of course, over there you see the town center, which is also medieval. After restoration, the castle used to be the town hall, but now there is a very interesting museum with findings from all around the area. Yeah, that's the town hall now. Wasn't a big move. As you can see, that's the castle. Okay, we have a lot of stuff to show, of course. It's a typical Italian street. Well, today is holiday in Italy, and this is the reason why you don't see a lot of people around. Yeah, the alleys are quite particular. Cafe del Corso. That's a cafe. And this is a square where you can find the church. Yeah, this is the church, of course. The ancient church was destroyed by the Second World War, and of course they built a new one. Of course, this is the square, and the castle over there. That's a bishop, I think. And this part is medieval, 100%. Buildings are well preserved. They're stone buildings, so they're very beautiful to see. And we are approaching a church. Yeah, this is a medieval church. Well, it used to be a medieval church, but now it's of course, I think it's an auditorium or music academy or something like that. Take a look at this. This used to be a noble's mansion. Nobles used to live here. It's called Palazzo Monaco, Monaco Palace. The nobles are the Monaco family. Now there is a restaurant. Yeah, it's something very picturesque, very beautiful. And again, the traces of a medieval past are still here. There is a very beautiful view from up here. Yeah, you can see a lot of woods. Well, when it's summertime and spring, so it's very beautiful. You have a very green and colored view. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, And I'll see you in my next video.